Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Bethany and I am one busy mama. I'm going to start some new things to throw into the channel. So as you can see from the title, today is a BoxyCharm Wednesday. I got this great idea from Embrace Your Beauty with Shaneill. I will leave her name down below and a link in the description box for full credit. So she does somewhat similar from all the BoxyCharm items that she's gotten. She's creating looks. So I'm just going to do it once a month because I have quite the collection now. So if that's something you're interested in watching today, then stay tuned. Okay, so the only thing that I do know for sure is I do not have foundation or any sort of face color from BoxyCharm. I know a lot of people got the Becca foundation, which I opted out because I do not use foundation on a regular basis enough to want to buy it. This one, it is the Maybelline New York. It is the Dream Urban color, and it has SPF 50, which is amazing. And the color I chose when it was winter was natural beige. So we'll see if it actually matches. This might actually be BoxyCharm blooper. So we have that. I did get the Touch and Soul Glassy Pretty Filter. So this is a skin balm. And I did get the No Problem by Touch and Soul. So it's kind of like a first impression BoxyCharm remix. How about we'll do that? So look at the cute little package. Now it just says it's a prime essence, and all the language is in foreign language there, and that's the applicator. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's clear but cloudy. Okay, so we're gonna put that all over the face. Now, it does have a light scent, and it does say calendula flower extract right there, so that could be the light scent. This is a K-Beauty because it's made in Korea. So the scent is not bad. This we got in BoxyCharm was the Tula. This is the Glowing Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Pretty packaging. And it has like this cooling sensation. The Touch and Soul Glassy. Look at that holographic. So pretty. Check the package. It has a light fragrance. Nothing heavy or that I can pinpoint. That's probably a lot. Okay, so it smells like SPF, which is fine. Antioxidant enriched, pollution protection. It says full coverage, so I think we'll go in with a little bit more. Say that this is amazing if you forget to put sunscreen, because I do. So there we have it. I always like to go in with concealer on my eyelids, and I don't have any concealer from BoxyCharm. I do have from Ipsy, but that's not fair. Go in real quick with the CoverGirl True Blends. True Blend. This is in the color Classic Beige. So, I could just do this Mani palette because there's a highlighter there, and save my Kenya. So that's what we'll do, we'll save the Kenya. Morphe palette that we got in BoxyCharm. So I will use both highlighters, and let's make a look with this eyeshadow. Let me grab, I have these BoxyCharm brushes. I will use this one, it's the tapered blending one, and the eye shading one. So let's take the blending one. We're gonna go in with, oh, you know what? Let's do swatches. So the first row, which is on the bottom here, is Dust Cloud, Scorpio, Fire Witch, Leo. Next, we have Sophie. Ooh, that's really light. And we have Spellbound, Cancer, and Zaya. Nice. They swatch really nicely too, let me tell you. We'll do it over here. We have Boy Next Door. Wow, that's very, it's like a coffee color, but it's very, you can't even see it. Let's try it here. Boy Next Door. Look at that. Gamenta. Gamenta is right there. Then we have Aries and Howl. So that's the last row, all the swatches. It's a fairly neutral palette, but I like it. It's nice. And we're gonna take the same brush and we're gonna go in to deepen it up a little bit. We are gonna go in with, there's like 3 or 4 browns. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Let's see what Boy Next Door is, and then we'll go in with Zaya to deepen it up. Alright, so Boy Next Door is cool, but it doesn't do what I want it to do. So we're gonna do the same thing, but with Zaya. I'm thinking we're just gonna do a neutral look with maybe a pop of color. I'm not sure.
Let's go in with Gameta or Gamenta. Gamenta.
Same brush. love that color. And let's see, we are going to keep this purpley look, and I'm gonna go in with Cancer, which is right there, because I'm a Cancer. Those two colors go awesome. And then for the inner corner, let's see. So let me swatch the highlight. So this is Nova and this is Apollo. So Nova and Apollo. It's there, but it's light. So I think for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Nova. And I can tell like that glassy touch and soul is really giving me like very nice shine and brightness. So that's that. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the Gamenta and Nova on the bottom lash, and then I'll be right back. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Grande Drama. This is the Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. I did get this in BoxyCharm a while ago. Okay, so then we have the Ace Beauté bronzer. So this will be a first impressions, but I'll have to do another video on that. Fluffy brush, and there's definite differences. So let's go in with the lighter one and see what happens. Maybe we need to shade up. So I'm gonna go in with this one. That was the bronzer palette, Bronzed in Paradise. It's actually not bad. So blush. I got the Wander Beauty Trip for Two a while back that I don't really use, which also has a bronzer too, which I could have used that as well. So we're gonna go in with the Bellini. Try not to go hard. I don't really see it, but you know, you guys can tell me if you do. Be straight looking like a damn clown. But it's BoxyCharm Wednesday. Okay, so that's that. Now we are gonna go in the highlight, which is gonna be Apollo, because we're using all of these shades. So I'll have my hollow little brush, and we're gonna get into okay. It's there, definitely, but it's not beaming. So Could just be me, you know. I'm used to Ofra. Can you guys see it? Oh, I see it a little bit. Can you see it though? We'll put a little bit here and here. Can you guys see it, or is it just me? I'm just putting on like way too much. All right, so that's the highlighter. I really love that eyeshadow. Tell me what you guys think down below. And I did get the NARS 1 month. So let me show you that color, because that's what we're putting on the lips. And ooh, it goes perfect with our eyes. This is in You're No Good, You're No Good, You're No Good. Baby, you're no good. No, I'm not. I'm not good at singing. That's for sure. There's the color. Swatchy swatch. Ooh. She brought. Oh, it smells like cupcakes. Wow. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This lipstick is like, woo! Okay. And we're gonna do our Ciate London. Look at, that's how it kind of dries down. So it's a Power Matte, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Power Matte Lip Pigment. What do you guys think about this? And we'll go in for full effect. It smells so good. I'm not even kidding. It's like, if I knew it was a drink, I would drink it because it smells like pina coladas. And I've heard a lot of people say that theirs is not that vibrant. Mine is, okay? Tell me what you guys think. It's definitely matte now. So that was my BoxyCharm Wednesday for this month. Hopefully we get some goodies next month that we can do some more looks. All right, so I'm thinking I like it a lot. The Morphe MUA, I always say that. The Morphe Manny MUA palette that we got was really nice. And the 8th Beauté bronzer was very nice. This Touch and Soul Glassy Skin, I think that is what it did. It is very glassy, very pretty. I haven't reached for that mascara, but I like it a lot. And that is it. I keep saying that's it, but really, this is it. I tried not to make it a long video, so hopefully it isn't. And if you stayed so much, hit the like button on your way out or in. And in your comment section, drop some tropical fruit or regular fruit. Just drop some fruit. All right, that's it guys. So stay